what have I done is I drilled out this bracket because I still have to remove this piece here, and the reason I did this is because it was completely gone. I mean, there was nothing left, and there was also no good way to clean up this area. So now I have access, and I think we will make a new bracket. So guys, this is what is left of my bracket for the fuel pump. So basically the way it works is you have this is the new fuel pump bracket, and basically the lower nut or stud, yeah, goes into here, and these two go into these holes here. Now originally this bracket was a one piece, so it was going something like this, connecting here, these two, and it was going down and then was branching off to this one here. Now what we'll try to do is we will try to make a new one out of a 0.9 millimeter steel sheet and see if we can do the same or very similar bracket. Now my only worry is, you see, the original ones, they have stamped what do you call it, I don't know how you call it. It's like in order for it to be more rigid on the bend here, it's like it works like a gusset. I think it's called a gusset. They're stamped in, and I'm not sure how can I do it like here. The only thing I have is a vise and a hammer and some pliers, and basically that's it. So we'll see. So I don't know. Technically, like if I really wanted to, probably I could reuse these ones, just clean them up, but I mean I cannot really put it like this. I mean it's just too far gone. Like if I try to bend it, it bends, but you see what I mean? It doesn't bend here in the corner because it has this little gusset. It bends actually here. I need to do some measurements, some sketching out, and then we'll see. This is what I managed to sketch out. So let's see how it goes. It's not really symmetric bracket because also if you see, the holder is also not symmetric. You see that side is shorter than this side. So okay, well let's get to cutting, and this is too flimsy, so I'll cut it from here I think first, and then I'll try to find some cardboard and cut out of the cardboard. We'll bend it to shape and then see how it fits on the bracket. So. Okay guys, so the fit is fairly close. I don't think I need to cut it out of the cardboard. The only thing I have to keep in mind is that the bend for these tabs here is a little bit tricky, so I think I'll do them last, and yeah, I think I'll just start sketching this on a sheet of metal and start cutting, and we'll see how it goes. This is what I have so far. So I need to file down all this and then all this. And originally here they had these stamped gussets or whatever you want to call them. I don't know how they're called. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. Not sure. Let's file it down. Let's bend it to shape more or less, and then we'll see how rigid it is, and we'll take it from there. This is what I have, all filed up, filed down, I don't know. And I think I'm more or less ready to start bending it to shape. And hopefully it's gonna be good. So let's do that now. This is how the bracket looks so far. Bend it out nicely. The only thing that I think I messed a little bit is the alignment of this hole. Apparently the hole is not centered. I don't know. Maybe it was me, but I tried to do it. But anyways, it's because of the... It's not too bad. Because of the rubber suspension, it gives a little play, and I filed it a little bit. You can see it's not perfectly round. So it's good. Whoopsie. So this is how it looks today. Let's bend these side pieces and see how it goes after that with reinforcing this bend and these two bends, because right now it's kind of flimsy, but not really. I don't know, we'll see. So guys, I have managed to bend out these tabs. I had to do some trimming, as you can see here in the lower corner. But now it's actually really good. I also managed to do the gussets, or I don't know how you call it, rigidity points. And the way I have done it, I just put, I opened up the vise wider, and then I put here the drill bit, and I just hammered it in. And then this is how it is. It's very rigid now, really good. It's almost like original, I would say. So I'm quite happy with it. It fits nicely in on the body there. So now what we need to do, we need to drill 2 holes here, 2 holes here, and one hole in each of these tabs, so we can rivet it in onto the body. But before we do that, I will take off the tape, and then I'll scuff it up with some Scotch Brite, and then I'll give it a nice coat of zinc, and then primer, and then a coat of paint before it goes in. So let's do that. So guys, quick update. I removed the tape, which was a little bit pain in the butt, but now it's off, it's good. This is the bracket. This is how it gonna be holding the fuel pump. I think I can drill on this side the holes where I want, basically, and these tabs basically also where I want, I think. But here I already drilled on the rocker panel. There are 2 holes drilled, so I would really like to match those. So we'll see how we do that. We put some tape on the car, I think, put the bracket, mark the bracket, measure, do some measurements, and then drill. Hopefully it matches up. So I think I need to start first with those. Yeah? Okay, let's do that. Perfect. Now I measure out from this hole to this hole here, and we drill that one as well. As you can see, what I have marked out fits perfectly. So let's measure another hole. So that's the new hole, and let's drill it. Okay, we have the hole. Let's go see if it fits. Would you look at that? It's almost perfect. Almost perfect. I think it's gonna be good. So this is after sanding it. Actually, I forgot something because I drilled the 2 holes, but before I spray anything, I would like to drill the rest of the holes, so then it's nice and complete and ready for paint. So I think let's go ahead and drill these holes. I have drilled the holes for the rivets, and there will be 7 holes in total. This bracket is not going anywhere. And basically I tried to have them measured out the same spots that I've been drilling out here before, where the original spot welds were. And if you ask me, it's quite a good fit. Here's the bracket after the coat of zinc. Looks very nice, very clean. Quite happy with it. I'm gonna scuff it up really quickly, and then we're gonna primer it in, and then we'll give it a coat of paint, so it will be ready for installation whenever we're ready. So let's do that. Quick overview of the primed in part. There's a little run here. What we'll do now is gonna scuff it up, and it's ready for paint. It turned out really nice. I'm really happy with it. It's almost like original. This is the original, and this is the handmade, homemade. Oh, almost OE. So yeah, it's quite nice. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. Okay.